Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Starbucks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into your Starbucks account, start by opening the Starbucks app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go to your device's app store and search for Starbucks. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the home screen, look for the sign in option. Tap on sign in to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Carefully type in the email address associated with your Starbucks account. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password in the provided space. If you want the app to remember your login, check the Remember Me option. Once you have filled in your email and password, tap the Sign In button. The app will now process your credentials. If the information is correct, you will be logged into your account. In case you forgot your password, tap on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your registered email. Once your password is reset, return to the sign-in page. Enter your email and new password. Tap Sign In to access your Starbucks account. You are now ready to enjoy the features of the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.